Y'all videotape, huh?
Nah,
Okay.
that's how we record stuff.
Let's see what y'all done thus far. Oh yeah, looking good thus far. Okay. Okay.
You smell the poison?
Oh, is that?
That's that Roundup, man.
Oh, okay.
And the
Good.
crossbow. They double strengthened it, soaked it down.
Oh, down here.
Yeah, I
Okay.
took my trimmer. And
Yeah, we don't want the weeds growing back through.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay,
So-
okay.
so
I thought you did the fence
took
line.
it. Oh, not yet.
Damn,
We'll get that.
poison ivy
I
ate
told
us,
him,
ate us alive.
Don't touch nothing.
What about the doors is settling? The one, you know,
We've looked at all.
All of them so far are looking like they're going to be pretty good. That garage door is going to be the tough cookie. That's going to be the one.
Okay. So how do y'all feel like the overall rehab on this place that you?
Overall rehab, I think looks good. I'd like to see before pictures if you guys have
Oh,
them.
yeah,
I'd
we
like
got
to
lots
see,
of them.
yeah, I'd like
Yeah,
to see what it looked like
Pictures,
before.
video.
Yeah.
Got lots of them.
Y'all want to tell the people who y'all are and how they can reach y'all if they?
Talk to the boss.
Okay.
We're the Self and Space.
Okay.
We do design and home improvements.
Okay.
We've got a website.
Okay.
Selfandspace.com.
Selfandspace.com. Okay, so that's y'all have an Instagram, Facebook.
Instagram is just Self and Space with a little underscore. There's
Okay.
Some storage company out there stole my handle.
Oh no, that's what you hate. So what are y'all doing for us today? Can y'all tell us?
Well, we're doing a little rock paver installation. We've already killed all the weeds.
Okay.
We're gonna lay out, all the pavers, measure them all out with 2x4s, and then we'll make them all snug with some pea gravel, and we'll sink in some edging, and then when y'all get sod back here, it'll all be level and just a cute little patio.
Okay. And y'all think we went far enough with it?
I think so.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, once it's all down and in, because we're doing about a 3.5 gap between all of them.
Okay.
Which is why we've got your 2x4s here.
Right, right.
Your edging will actually hit the outside of the 2x4, so you'll have a little extra space than where the pavers actually are.
Oh, okay. There'll be more gravel around.
Yep.
Okay,
That's the
okay.
space keeper.
Okay, got you.
Yeah, scale is very important in yards like this. You don't ever want to have, you don't ever want to turn your entire property into a patio. You'd like to maintain some yard.
Okay, okay.
So I think you guys did a, you kept lines. Lines are important.
Okay.
Matching the line from the patio to the house, that's
Right.
always important.
Right.
But you're not going to turn the entire yard into a patio, so that's, I think you guys scaled it right.
Okay.
I think 20 was a good call.
20? Okay.
10 by 20 was a good call.
Yeah, let's just somebody come out and put a little patio set,
Feature
barbecue
set.
pit,
I mean, they'll even have
fire
enough
pit.
room to do, if you want to do a sofa and a couple chairs and a coffee table and have a grill over here.
That's all we're looking for.
Okay. I was thinking the grill over there, but they can do it how they want it. They can put it here,
They don't burn the house up. I don't give a damn what they do.
You're giving them the space to create. So
Right.
We're gonna have a new 6'8" fence around here.
Gravel. Fencing materials. More pavers. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
The wire been for
The supports.
might need to get another. I told him, hey, I'm gonna go and get.
Some more of those.
Yeah, maybe just one more in the middle here.
Not a bad idea.
Yeah, just have 3 across. I think that.
Alright. I think we're going to get some more supports for the closets so you can make sure we can reinforce those there, and then you can just kind of.
they're easy to pop right in as long as I find a stud in the middle.
Exactly. Find the studs and then, put them in accordingly. Because it still flicks on the ends, in the middle, some of those things. So, all right, well, we'll leave y'all to it.
We're on it.
All right, cool.
We'll have a finished product very shortly.
Cool. Sounds good. Awesome. Oh, okay, I'm recording. Go ahead. There you go. Yeah. Perfect.
Not the double spear.
Exactly.